I'm Dr. Rajesh Taneja. I'm a senior consultant urologist at Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. I've been very happy to participate in this event, which has been hosted by the Sarvodaya Hospital, Faridabad, and their chief urologist, Dr. Tanuj Pal Bhatia, has been a very hard-working urologist who has thought of this Holmium training class, which has brought the urologists who seem to be progressive and who seem to be happy to evolve into the next step or the next level of the surgical treatment of benign hyperplasia of prostate. I'm very happy that HOLEP, as it is called, is being brought to the forefront by the team at Sarvodaya Hospital, because that is the need of the hour, to tell the world that look, there is a treatment which is little better than what we have been practicing in past, which is TURP and the other conventional treatments. So HOLEP is here to stay, and this event has given a boost for dissemination of art and science of HOLEP. So I thank Dr. Tanuj Pal Bhatia and the Sarvodaya Hospital for giving us this opportunity to come together and work on this technique.